DJ NTV.
Paul Okoye's wife filed for a divorce as marriage crashes. Plus, Issa Patami presides over Buhari's son's wedding. Hi guys, good morning to you, good afternoon to you, and good evening to you, depending on the location you're watching us from. A very big welcome to you. This is DJ MTV Daily News Update, the WhatsApp channel where you get the latest and the best news all around the world. If this is the first time you're seeing any of our video, do take a step further, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first person to get notified each time we post a new video. Let's go straight up into the main news. Okoye Anita, the wife of Nigerian recording artist Paul Okoye, who was a member of the defunct twin sect P Square, has filed a petition to divorce her husband on the ground of infidelity. The details surrounding the crash of the marriage came from the leak of the official petition for the divorce, which cited irreconcilable differences as a basis of the irretrievable breakdown of the marriage. The couple got married in 2014 after dating for 10 years. The marriage was done in Port Harcourt and it was a flamboyant marriage. After the first year of the marriage, they welcomed a son, and after which a set of twins. The news of their pending divorce comes as a massive shock to both family and their close friends. A source disclosed to DJ MTV News that the couple confirmed that both parties would proceed amicably with the legal resolution and be the best co-parents in the interest of their children. According to the source, it also said that Paul and Anita have always been very good friends, and like every other couple, they have had issues for a while but plan to remain on good terms and keep the friendship which they have always had since their days of university as a student. Currently, Anita Okoye is in the US with her 3 kids as the leaked divorce paper document filled the social media. Nigerians has received this as a shock because some of them were not expecting the breakdown of Paul Okoye's marriage. In the divorce paper that was leaked, it was said that the lawyer of Anita Okoye wrote to Paul Okoye to sign the divorce paper and take it to his lawyer to also sign, after which they will bring it back. But Barrister Somadina Eugene Okoye of Sino Ocean Law Practice, a counsel to Paul Okoye, also known as Rude Boy, says he does not believe the news that Anita Isama Okoye has filed for a petition to divorce her husband. Recall that a legal document currently in circulation shows that Anita has filed for a petition to divorce her husband, Rude Boy, of former music group P Square. The document leaked in the early hours of Friday, and news of their pending divorce comes as a shock, as the duo has been together for the past 17 years but only married for the last 7 years. The leaked official petition, which was filed at the Abuja court recently, cited irreconcilable differences as a basis for the impending divorce. It is understood that the couple intends to amicably proceed with the legal resolution in the interest of their 3 children. Barrister Somadina Eugene Okoye told newsmen that, "I don't think this subject is worth breaking the ice. As I speak with you, I am here to receive a briefing as touching the news already in circulation. If the story is real, I would have been briefed by now, and this is devoid of sentiment." Why the news of Paul Okoye's marriage breakdown was on the ancient town of Biki, Kano State, on Friday went agog as Yusuf Buhari, the son of the President of Nigeria, Muhammadu Buhari, married the daughter of the Emir of Bichi, Zara Nasiri Ado Bayero. The father of the bridegroom, President Muhammadu Buhari, was among thousands of dignitaries who attended the wedding. The wedding Fatiha was conducted at the Emir's Palace with the Minister of Communication and Digital Economy, Dr. Isa Ali Patami, presiding over the payment of 500,000 naira as the dowry. Alhaji Aminu Dandata stood as representative of the bride, while Alhaji Mamadara stood for the bridegroom during the wedding. Shortly after the religious rite, Patami then prayed to the Almighty God to bless the marriage and grant the couple precious children. Shekai Nasiri Kabura, the leader of the Islamic sect in West Africa, also prayed for the couple and advised them to live in peace and harmony. Dignitaries that attended the wedding include Vice President Yemi Osibanjo, Senate President Ahmed Lawal, Chief of Staff to President Buhari, Professor Ibrahim Gambari, and several state governors, including the ex-president of Nigeria, Goodluck Jonathan. Others were ministers, members of the National and State Assembly, emirs, diplomats, politicians, and well-wishers, among others. So guys, here we have it. The news of Paul Okoye's marriage breakdown has filled the media space and all over Nigeria. According to the news, some Nigerians have said that Paul Okoye's 7-year-old marriage is about to crash due to infidelity, while some Nigerians said the cause of the divorce is yet to be known. According to them, these two persons have been living happily and have been friends for a very long time. Even before they got married, they've known each other for 17 years, and 10 out of those years they were dating, and in the last 7 years they got married. They did a very heavy flamboyant wedding in Port Harcourt, and some Nigerians have said due to this fact that they don't see any reason why these two, who have been best of friends, would want to divorce themselves. Although the lawyer of Paul Okoye, Barrister Eugene, has said that he is not aware of the divorce, because if it is true, or if it was true, he would have been briefed. But as he speaks to newsmen, that he has not been briefed about any divorce that has been filed in the law court in Abuja. But meanwhile, while the divorce of Paul Okoye and Anita Okoye was going on, the son of our Nigerian president Muhammadu Buhari was tying the knot with his wife, the princess, who happens to be the daughter of the emir of Emish. And in that wedding, 500,000 naira was paid as the dowry of the bride. And it was said that Isa Patami was the one who presided over this wedding, and the wedding was attended by many dignitaries, such as the former president of Nigeria, President Goodluck Jonathan, also attended that wedding. So guys, what do you think about these happenings? Why a marriage is about to crash, another one just begin? What are your thoughts towards the crashing down of Paul Okoye and his wife Anita Okoye's marriage, why they have gotten 3 lovely kids who are growing up? Some Nigerian thinks that, as his name implies, rude boy, he has been rude in his marriage. But what do you think? Drop your comment in the comment section below. Do not forget to like, share, and comment on all our videos. Do follow us on all our social media platforms. Like us on Facebook and subscribe on YouTube. Also check us out on our website www.djmtv.news. Until we come your way again, do not forget, this is DJ MTV Daily News Update. Thank you for watching till the end.
Yeah.
DJ MTV. DJ MTV.
People are people don't say no, they don't like us. Welcome to DJ MTV.
DJ MTV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
Yeah.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
People are living people. Don't say no. They don't like us.
Welcome to DJ TV.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV.